What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rachie. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to make money with Amazon and any other side hustle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a tip that got my product sold out on Amazon. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below because I'm about to give you guys some tea that's gonna make your product sold out on Amazon in less than 3 days. So you're not a reseller, you wanted to create your own listing, or you already create your own link, this video is for you because I'm gonna show you guys some tip on how to make your product sold out on Amazon. I'm not gonna help you if you didn't follow my other video where I show you guys what type of product you guys should sell on Amazon and how to do like a good product research regarding what product you guys should sell on this month, the upcoming, so which is the Halloween season, the Christmas season. I told you guys should sell a Halloween costume, anything that has to do with Halloween decoration. And I also told you guys not to of this product because I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a promotion on Amazon, how to create a coupon that's gonna help your product to get on the first page and sold out like my product did. My product only sold out in less than 3 days. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Halloween costume, I only bought 20. That was my first time selling this product. I wanted to see how it was gonna sell. So I know some of you gonna be like, oh, 20, it's a small amount, but let's say you spend on those 20 items, I spent like $348. Let's say if one of those products didn't sell, I'll have to keep my inventory until next year because Halloween season, it's only once a year. So that's why I told you guys buy a small limit. Spend my money on a product, I want to make sure this product is selling and I'm gonna get my money back so I can invest it into any other product. So, and I was like, I need to create something. So, and I go on Amazon and I see how to create a promotion, but there's different type of promotion. There is coupon, there is buy one get one free, which is another type of promotion, and there is a percentage off or whatever. If the customer buy this product, you can give them $5 off or anything. So I went and create this coupon. First thing you need to do, you need to go under all your inventory and you want the ASIN number. I go on variation, so I copy the ASIN number, advertising, and then coupon, and create my first coupon, create a new coupon, and I'll paste the ASIN number and then it will show me the product. So I'll click on all of them. First thing you need to do, you need to select a specific date. So you can do 1 to 90 days and 18/22. That was the end date was 10/22/22. So I do percentage off, so I wanted to give 5% off. They wanted to know like a minimum from 100 to a million, something like that. So I press 100. I said 5% off on Halloween costume. I just put 5% off on Halloween costume. Nothing special. You can choose which customer you want to use your product. Let's say you want Amazon Prime customer only to use your product, you can only choose Amazon Prime. But I didn't want to put a limit because those product was on my hand and they was not on Amazon FBA. So I just put all customers can use my phone. You just press continue and then you're gonna go ahead and press submit. So after like 6 hours, your coupon will be available. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna show on Amazon. It's probably not gonna show right now. Hold on. So if you guys see, it's a $69.75. So the discount is not showing yet, but I'm gonna show you guys in another video.
24 hours later.
All inventory, and I'm gonna click and show you guys how the discount show on Amazon. The moment I was recording this video, one of them was already sold out, which is the large size, and I had the medium size. I only had 3 left. When you see 5% off, That's mean the coupon is applied. Once the customer put this product on their carts, it's gonna give them a different price. So I was trying to do it, for some reason I couldn't add it to my cart. I'm gonna go under manage orders and ship product, and I'm gonna click on one of the product, and let's say let's click on this customer right here, right? Let's say if this customer used the coupon, this customer didn't use the coupon, you can see the price is the same. It says $69.99, the tax, and the item total was $75.94. That's how much a customer paid in total. And that's a customer that used the coupon. You can see $69.99 item subtotal, the tax, which is $3.99, and the promotion, which was $3.50, and item total, the customer ended up paying $70.48. That's basically it, guys. That's how you create a coupon on Amazon. That's gonna make your product sold out in less than 3 days. So if you guys have any questions down below, I'll be more than happy to help you guys to answer your question. If you guys find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe. Why not subscribe? If you guys want to create any other type of coupon, just let me know. I will help you guys create your coupon. And if you guys want me to show you guys how to create your own listing, and let me know also. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Until then, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.